हेलो एवरीवन, डाइट फूड बाय डाइटिशियन आरती बस्तीन में आप सबका स्वागत है। सो इन टुडेज वीडियो आई विल बी टीचिंग यू हाउ टू मेक होममेड ग्रीन टीज. Before consuming any of it, I'm going to suggest you to consult with your doctor first because everyone's body is different and this might react in a different way to everyone. Let's start with the first green tea, which is the methi tea. It's rich in iron, manganese, copper, zinc, folate, potassium, loaded with antioxidants, boosts metabolism and immunity, controls appetite by nearly 20%, good for nervous system, good for hair and skin, lowers bad cholesterol, treats asthma and cough, removes body toxins, treats joint pains, cure insomnia. Let's begin with the process. Take 1 glass of water and 1 teaspoon of methi seeds. Soak it overnight. One should avoid having it during periods, pregnancy pain and diarrhea. Drink it early morning, empty stomach for great results. Chew the rest over methi seeds because it aids in great digestion. Let's start with the special ajwain tea. Ajwain is one solution to many of your digestive issues. Carom seeds can increase gastric acid secretions, which may enhance digestive health. The seeds also improves the activity of digestive enzymes and can lead to a higher secretion of bile juice. Carom seeds are rich in fiber, protein and fats. They also contain vitamins and minerals like manganese, niacin. Helps treat cold and cough, may prevent kidney stone. Carom seeds may prevent calcium oxalate deposition. This can be potentially cut the risk of developing kidney stones. Fight bacteria and fungi, combats peptic ulcers and relieves indigestion. Instant relief from acidity and indigestion for ears and toothache. In curing asthma and boosts respiratory system, controls migraine problems and headaches, helps in urination problems, helps in restoring your oral health and dental problems, helps in breastfeeding and increases milk production. It has therapeutic properties and supports immunity. Let's start preparing the ajwain tea. Take 1 glass of water, add 1 teaspoon of carom seeds. Soak it overnight. Best time to drink 20 minutes after breakfast or lunch. Lukewarm it before having it. In the meanwhile, take a glass and squeeze half a lemon to it. This tea increases metabolism and removes all the toxins from your body. Pour the tea to the glass. And your ajwain tea is ready to have. Let's start with the third tea, that is the tulsi tea. Reduces anxiety, fights cold and cough, antifungal, lowers cholesterol, reduces stress, has antibacterial properties, lowers fever, helps fight cancer. Let's start. Take 1.5 cups of water and add it to a pan. Wash tulsi leaves and add it to water. Leave it to 5 to 8 minutes. Let it simmer. Drink it between 11 to 5 p.m. Switch off the gas, cover it for 2 minutes. Pour it in the glass. Tulsi tea is ready to have. The fourth tea is Jeera, Adrak, Lemon and Honey tea, best for weight loss. Cures piles, cures insomnia, fights cold, prevents anemia, skin care, treats boils, regulates digestion, increases lactation, cures bronchitis and asthma. Let's start with the process. So you need 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon Jeera, 1 teaspoon grated Adrak, 1 teaspoon honey. Add water to pan. Now add Jeera and Adrak to it. The best time to have it is before breakfast. In the meanwhile, take a glass, squeeze lemon and honey to it. And add honey. When water starts boiling, switch off the gas and cover it for 2 minutes. Pour it in the glass. Mix it with all the ingredients. And your tea is ready. If you like the video, I'll come up with more such recipes of green tea. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. See you. Thank you for watching.